The internship was pretty hands-on. With the EPP, we actually developed a working prototype by the end of the summer, where we soldered up all the components onto a circuit board, and we connected it to a device that they've made to simulate the dirty power. We had a monitor up there with our program on it running, our software that we developed. So we got to see the whole product working. At the end of the summer, we had tested the EPP, and we got it to disconnect as designed to do. And so we would hit it with a high voltage surge to simulate this power that you'd find in a developing world. And the EPP disconnected it. And so we got to see it directly functioning. If somebody came up to me and asked about the internship, I would tell them that it was a really great experience, and I'd say to go for it because I learned so much compared to other internships. Really had a lot more opportunity to be hands-on and to learn from the people there who really are willing to invest their time in you.
One of the things that I was most focused on at my internship with SonSet was solar energy, and there have been several other mission organizations in Niger who heard that I worked on solar energy at SonSet, and they've asked me to give them tips and help them research how they can set up solar energy systems at their facilities. One thing that my SonSet internship did to change my thinking is it helped me realize that as an engineer, as a Christian engineer, I need to be focused on spreading the gospel, and my career is a tool to do that, not an end.
The mentoring during the internship time while I was here was mostly through the work that we were doing, because you work with specific staff members for the whole summer. We would meet every day, talk through what was going on, we'd work through problems, we'd really work together. And then that also involved, conversations about life, things that are going on, about scripture, about spiritual truth, and working through some of those things as well. It was not just purely technical, but you're in a low pressure environment in a sense. So you get to work and really kind of try to stretch yourself, but then you have that guidance the whole time. You're not just being thrown out to your own devices to kind of get lost. You really do have some direction and guidance that's really helpful, but then also allows you to kind of grow yourself.
Beginning as an intern here, I worked on some pump installation equipment, a couple of different devices for installing hand pumps in Africa, and we took a trip that year and installed 2 pumps with the equipment that I had helped design and fabricate, and it was incredible to see the equipment I'd worked on being used in the field just to meet such tangible needs for people. A need as tangible as clean water, it's huge. And then moving on as an apprentice, the work that we did on pump monitoring devices, that was incredible, and we've had several different applications of that since then. It's very practical, and it allows remote monitoring of pumps and the water quality that's being pumped.